Interceptor can finally breathe! Let's go! What is up YouTube? My name is Vinny and welcome to Road Blast Media. Before we crack on, make sure to click that subscribe button and like the video, share it if you want. And yeah, so today we're installing the DNA air filter onto the Interceptor 650, which already has the Lextech pipe, so this should really unlock some of the power that this bike is withholding from us. So yeah, basically to get started, all you got to do is remove the seat and then you loosen this little bolt here. This should come away and then there'll be 3 screws that we need to loosen, get out, and then we can replace the air filter. So yeah. Right, so just loosening that bolt there. So you will find that you might need to give it a little bit of force because it's strapped into like a little rubber bung there. But then yeah, when that comes away, it reveals the air filter cover, and we've got to remove that and then remove the air filter. So we'll crack on with that. What's up, Yoshi? Got a little audience there. That's my little pup Yosh. Very cute boy. Alright, it's as easy as that. So there's our air filter there, the stock standard one. And that just slides out. And we'll go over to our new DNA filter here.
Looks pretty clean.
Yeah, hasn't done too many Ks, eh?
It's yeah, pretty clean.
Oh yeah, so this is the DNA air filter here. You unwrap that. And then also it's crucial if you're buying one of these filters that you get it in combination with one of these, unless you've got your own method of holding it in there. But we opted for the option that comes from the factory. What else do we got in this box here? We've got a couple of stickers, it looks like. The DNA.
You don't need to hold that in at all, really. It just slots straight in.
Yeah, it just goes straight in. And then that's basically it. You just slide it in and whack this over top. Alright, so chucking the new holder on. Looks pretty cool with the old DNA logo there. Screams performance.
Okay.
That is.
Get the old magnetic screwdriver out.
Is that magnetic? Oh, it is too. Oh, how handy. How handy.
Well, I only made it magnetic because I rubbed it up against my pants.
Oh, yeah. That's a cool trick, eh?
Up and down the pants, make it magnetic.
Static electricity. Oh, that's a good tip for everyone at home.
Yep.
Alright.
I think a lot of you know that anyway.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know that, so that's handy for me, even for the learnings.
Oh yeah, well you haven't got a magnet, rub it up and down your pants.
Yeah. Ooh.
Pick it up.
Hey, handy tip from the old mate.
Okay.
That's the one. Alright, so we'll assemble this all back together. It's all the same pretty much. You just gotta put it back, and it's always crucial to idle it for 15 minutes before you take it for a ride, as you need to let your ECU figure itself out and retune itself for the much increased airflow. So yeah, we'll be back soon. Alright, so now we're going to do the first startup with Lextech exhausts and the DNA air filter installed. So Dad, you do the honours. Also, if you like my shirt, Royal Enfield, made like a gun since 1901. Reference cycles. Hey. So yeah, she's sounding nice. We'll give that 15 minutes and then we'll take it out on the road, and I'll give you guys a bit of an impression of what the air filter does to the performance and things like that. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Alright guys, we've done the 15 minutes and got the air filter installed, and now we're just going to take it for a little roll down this back road. Holy Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, no, there's definitely definitely a noticeable change in torque. Oh my god, you can tell when I get excited I start swearing, but oh my goodness, it just like, I don't know, like the front, like the, you know, it feels like the front is wanting to lift up more, and it definitely, it has a lot more growl to it. You can hear the air coming in a bit more, even over the exhaust, which is kind of hard to believe. Wow. Okay, yeah, so this is definitely a worthwhile upgrade for like 150 bucks, and that's including the housing thing for it. Whoa. Okay, so that is crazy. That's a really noticeable difference in power, especially mid-range. You can feel the front really lift up. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay. So this is like, I think it's, yeah, 5,000 RPM, 80 k's an hour. Holy. Alright, no, that's wicked. That's wicked upgrade. For that little amount of money, that is a very noticeable increase in performance, like a lot. That's wicked. Holy cow. That's what I'm talking about. DNA, you know what you're up to. Okay, I think DNA is just like a rebranded SNS filter, but regardless, that's wicked. Oh my god. The Interceptor can finally breathe. Let's go. Oh man, that is great. Alright, yeah, so if you're looking to buy an air filter for your Interceptor, I'm pretty sure all the brands really do the same thing. We just went for DNA. I would say definitely do it. It really, like, almost, you know, unleashes the bike a bit. Let's see. Oh my god, that is much improved. Oh my goodness. It kind of, you know, it just makes the bike feel unlocked and a bit more satisfying, you know, like a bit more aggressive, way more capable, and you can hear it kind of screams a little bit more at you as well, which is really awesome. Holy. Alright. Yeah, so DNA filter teamed up with Lextech exhaust. That's the key. That is the key. That is the key. Thank you guys for the recommendations of doing this. Oh my god. It has a lot more pull now. Like, mid-range has really been unleashed. I've heard that the air filter can, you know, it unlocks a hell of a lot more torque, and you know, ups the power a little bit. But even though the numbers aren't that crazy with the air filter, it definitely is noticeable, like, when actually riding it. You may recognize this road from the exhaust video. It's a very good one, you know, the speed limit is good enough, and yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much the rundown of the DNA filter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. The Tech 2-in-1 with DNA exhaust will be coming out on my Continental GT very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and my name is Vinny. This is Road Blast Media. Peace.